How to make your porch more beautiful this fall. Hi, my name is Rosie. I want to make my porch look more fall-like while keeping it within budget and not overdoing it. And here I go. I recently got these two fall flower baskets from Amazon. They came with 5 bags of flowers, foam, a grass ball, cocoa fiber, and a hanging basket. Let's put them together and see how they turn out. These baskets come in 10 different colors, but I wanted something versatile that I could use not only in fall but also in spring and summer. So I chose a multicolor option. Aren't they beautiful? They are super easy to put together and not heavy at all. You can arrange them however you like. The colors are so vibrant and lovely. Plus, I still have 1 bag of flowers left, which I will save for later in case some of them get damaged or if I want to add more. The best part of using faux flower is you don't have to take care of them and hopefully they will last for several seasons. I hung them on my dual hooks, which I already have on my front porch. It's hard to tell they're not real, isn't it? I absolutely love how they turned out. Now my porch looks so much better. I might add some more decorations later, but for now I'm really happy with how it looks. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. See ya!